Githeri was my worst nightmare ever come true. My God, until I went to a boarding school, and this was my life-changing experience because there's something that we used to call top layer that I came across. Oh my God, I really love that thing. I can say I've advanced these ingredients a bit to match a very irresistible taste that has made Githeri my weekend vibe nowadays, since this is the only time that I have all the free time to boil all the cereals, legumes to stock up for the week ahead. This is the easiest, most cheapest and quickest way that I have found that will help you prepare Githeri very fast for everyone's liking, actually even for kids. Plus, it leaves room for you to serve it with beef or avocado like I did, and you're good to go. So if you feel what I'm saying, please guys go to the comment section, tell me your experience with Githeri when you were growing up, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that, and comment, share. Let's engage at the comment section. Same old like the greens. You need a very considerable amount of oil for this one. You know, the Githeri won't be the soaked up one, it's going to be the dry one, so that, like I mentioned, you're going to serve it with beef stew if you wish to, or just have it with avocado. So for this one, you have to really do what I did with the greens. So you're going to put your onions on hot oil, let it cook down, continue stirring until it's golden brown, then add your spices. When the spices are in, give it a little bit of time, like 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 1 minute, then add in your Githeri in the ratio that I'm going to show you in a bit. The ratio is 2 cups of fresh maize, the maize that you buy from the soko, not the one that you buy from the cereal shop, to 3 cups of beans. You can have the ones that you buy from the cereal shop and then you boil them. So the reason as to why I boil my maize separately is that they retain their white color, so that when I put in the Githeri masala, there is a yellowish color that pops up that makes the food look so good. And then now with this, you have to mix very well because you consider you boil them separately, so the mixture has to be consistent. So you mix properly so that they can all become even, and then we're pretty much done here. All you have to do now is just mix as it's cooking, then you turn off your gas and you're ready to serve.